Eating some trail mix. Ooh, baby. White face like Eddie Murphy shooting off those rounds in the Beverly Hills. Two to the chest, which one's gonna make the kill? All these whispers, what good they gonna do? Come on, dude, we know better to consider those tools. A pawn that just crossed over where my queen at, sacked like a quarterback, bounce back to resheet, official. But that don't mean I'm sacrificial. So this pawn stays alive, kills the king with these words of insanity. You think I'm here to preach out of pure vanity? What kind of man would that make me out to be? You might as well bury me neck deep in some sand. Leave me to be, oh yeah, that beat is me. Checkers, yeah, I'll play along. At the same time, you better be ready for me to be the checker, the one to find the real fake generous, or the ones trying to steal. I'm doing all this just for the sake of keeping my kids out of hell. All is well. Once again, forgiveness to my pops for leaving me forsaken. This life is like a movie that does have rewind. All you gotta do is go and read up on it, cause you said yourself history repeats itself. Job was a man living right, follow up on it. It won't take long. God said his mind is so it's like no other. You think I'm gonna leave and just abandon my brother, let alone my mother? That would make me just like you, but I wanna be that unique other. It's pretty sad I had to witness all this bad in order to prove God exists. Go ahead, you can put a check down the entire list. Just like the rest of the world, there are sins in this life I couldn't resist it. Now that I'm on the narrow path, I'm innocent. Hell, from the beginning I've been trying to tell you about God's wrath. You think Eminem is bad with his aftermath? Wait till God is done with 1/3 of the world, moon and sun God. His aftermath. I'm so sick of hearing this talk about gangs and that bang. Shoot me down, cause the gospel's all I wanna sing. You don't know me like I don't know you, but this advice is what you should consider if you want your life to ever be better. But if not, then like my roses, we're gonna wither. Satan is amongst us, you don't even hear him approaching. Silent slither. Got you so frightened in the corner, trying to refrain from the quiver. So cold at heart, he makes the earth shake from your quiver. God in him like a tree is to a sliver. Powerful not he is, no capital, cause he is like a stench from a crap and that's all. Smile on my face cause I just blew out his tires of the car he's driving in his race. I set the pace from here on out. Once again I say, hear my battle shout, hear my battle shout.